do you think of the hair transplant thus far?
I think it's worked out well, really well. I'm really happy with the results.
He's 30 years old and returns 8 months after having had a strip or a FUT transplantation, 3,000 grafts. I'm going to show you his pre-op photograph. You can see that he had a Norwood 4 pattern with loss of hair in the anterior scalp. So he had a loss of hair, a Norwood 4 pattern, loss of hair in the anterior 1/2 of the scalp. This is what Danny looked like immediately post-op after having 3,000 grafts planted in the anterior 1/2 of the scalp. You can see here, this is after 8 months. It's a very natural hairline, excellent regrowth. Keep in mind it's only 8 months and he is likely to grow more hair in the next 4 to 6 months. Things to note: extremely natural hairline, and a good regrowth. And you can see the imperceptible, seamless regrowth which carries over to the natural hair. It is quite difficult to find. What do you think of the hair transplant thus far?
I think it's worked out well, really well. I'm really happy with the results.
What was your impression of the doctor and the staff?
I think they were all great, very professional. I think all these steps, like the day off, everything was very well taken care of. I thought it's gonna hurt or anything, but other than the initial needle to ice it, I didn't really feel anything. And I found that the instructions that you gave about what's going to happen 1 day, 2 days, 3 days after, it followed perfectly. So nothing unexpected came up, so I was very happy with it.
How has this transplant changed your life at all in terms of social, professional and other activities?
It's been good. Like a lot of friends now don't even notice. They're like, oh yeah, you got this. So I think it was good because I was just turning 30 as well. I was like, okay, it gives you another 10 years, in the social realm, if you don't want to get married early.
Do you feel more confident now? Do you feel better about things?
Yeah, definitely. It's been a positive. I'm happy that I did it, and overall it's been really good.
What is your advice to anyone looking to perform a hair transplant?
I think it's good to get it from the pros. Don't go for the very cheap option and try to save, because this is an investment, and if it doesn't show out well, you're going to regret it. So you might as well go with the people that actually know what to do. And and I found timing it at the end of the fall time frame was also good, because in the winter you're always mostly indoors as well, and you're wearing hats and caps outside anyway. So I thought that timing was also good, because then you're good for the summer that will be coming next year.
You chose Sure Hair. Could you tell us why? Are you happy you did that?
Yes, I'm very happy. It was one of my friend's parents, they also used it and they were very happy. So I wanted to go with someone that I already have a good testimonial from, and I'm really happy that I did that.